This is immigration attorney Parviz Malakouti, and I just got out of an adjustment of status interview that was approved, thankfully, here in California where I practice law. It was at the USCIS Chatsworth office. And one little thing happened in the interview that I thought would be interesting to make a short video about, which is that the USCIS officer asked the applicant, which was my client, if she had ever worked without authorization while in the United States, And she answered yes and started talking about babysitting, But what ended up happening is that she actually didn't listen carefully to the question, She started talking about babysitting that was not for money. It was just taking care of other people's kids and family members' kids. And so luckily that got cleared up. Her case was approved, which is very exciting. She was very happy and I'm happy. But it really underscored, the experience underscored the importance of listening very, very carefully when you're answering a question in a USCIS interview, You need to listen very carefully to the question, take as much time as necessary, and if you don't understand the question, you should ask for it to be either repeated or rephrased, and as many times as possible. You should never be guessing in a USCIS interview. So that's an important point. In this case, it ended up just fine. We cleared it all up. But the thing is, it did arouse the suspicion of the USCIS officer and spurred some extra questions, which is generally something that we want to avoid in these interviews. We want them to go as smoothly as possible. And we don't want any type of interaction that rocks the boat and would make an applicant uncomfortable, because once they get uncomfortable and nervous, the quality of their performance in the interview tends to suffer a little bit. So that's it. That's my tip for the day. If you find yourself in a USCIS interview for adjustment of status or naturalization or anything else, be very, very careful about listening carefully to the question and only answering the question once you actually understand it. That's it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I put out all kinds of immigration related videos, and have a great day.